Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am making a assorted meat, delicious and mouth suckling meat. This it was so delicious. I made it over the weekend for someone and it's so delicious. So I had cooked different types of meat, and this is for more. I have the video, and this is ear of the cow ear that I cooked. I seasoned it and I roasted it. Then I had to cut them little, very very little. And this is goat's meat, goat's shaki. So delicious. I cut them in pieces and then I roasted them. All these are cooked and roasted and spiced, and that was about there. So I have separated them because I did them during the weekdays so that I can be able to do it because I am very busy. So this is my pan. I added oil on it, and I have my ginger that I have and garlic that I have blended with the food processor, and pepper. This is long pepper. This is so spicy pepper, very spicy. And then I'm going to use onions. I have shallot onions there as well. The onions is so many, so I use my food processor this. So I also used this is paprika, long paprika that look like tatashe. Yes, you know tatashe pepper. There is no tomato in it, only pepper. So not hot one, but tatashe. Just looks like tatashe if you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know tatashe, long pepper. So I that's long paprika. So I am going to add it inside the oil, this onion. So I'm letting it fry for some time. Yeah, so I'll just allow it to just fry. I wouldn't let it burn though. I'll just allow it to marinate with the oil, then add the ginger and the garlic, and then add the peppers. If I add them gradually. Yeah, and then turn because I don't think I thought the wok was very small, but then it's very large wok like that. So I am going to turn them gradually until I finish turning them. So add the peppers, and I'll add Maggi. Add this is it's not time. This is curry leaf, yeah, this is curry leaf. So this is option now, just showing you how I made them, just an idea so you can use it for yourself if you're organizing a party and you're thinking what am I going to do. And this is stock cube powder, any type of stock cube powder you can use. So I turn them, so I would like them to fry because mine was I prepped everything and I kept them in the freezer. If you prep them that same day, you will notice that the paprika would not be a little bit watery. So I add another Maggi there, that is the stock cube powder. I want it to have taste. I am not adding salt. I don't add salt most times to my dishes. So this is the one that I add and it tastes very, very good. So you do the one you like, right? Yeah. If you go to the market, you can use chicken for this, you can use fish, you can use any protein you like for this. It doesn't really matter. I add in curry to it. You can supposed to add a lot of curry to it because it's a large batch, and stay right. So you want to make sure that the pepper fries very well, at least doesn't taste um like you have not fried them. Just fry them a bit. All this meat I roasted them, so I had to pick. That is one bad habit I had. So I had to pick the meat, as you can see. So I will just add the kpomo. So because I added the kpomo first, I have separated the pepper. I separated the pepper into two. I'm sorry. I separated the pepper into two so that I can use it for the other pot because the meat is big. So I added pomo first to the pan because I think the pomo is a little bit harder than the other meat. That's why I added the pomo first. So I let it cook through, but they have been cooked before. Like I said earlier on, I cooked it already, and the only thing I did not roast was the pomo. I only roasted it the appropriate way I did it last time. I'm going to put the video under the description box so that you can see how I do my own pomo. So and I add here. This is very delicious. This is very delicious. If you eat this one, it has that biscuit bone sound. If you that is the most delicious one in this part of the meat that I'm using. So I add the shaki, the cow shaki and abode. That's what I'm going to add. And then I'll just stir and make sure I stir it through. And while I'm stirring it, I reduce the flame of the cooker that I'm using, of gas or whatever. The stove, I reduce the flame so that it doesn't get burnt, and just so the meat was a little bit smaller to my liking, so we were cutting it and ended. You see, I've started again. Hmm. There is the bad habit. So, but though I tested for salt too, uh, and I'll still test again. So just turn and turn and turn. This meat was so delicious. Honestly, very, very delicious. If you are the one that is cooking it, the smell alone and the taste will even make you want more. If you eat this meat that I did, if you have eaten it, and if you do it yourself, you will notice that it's very delicious. And I added more stock into it for taste, and it is ready. So I am going to do the second batch because this is the first batch. I have two batches to do, and I'm testing again with this time with the spoon. Oh god, and it's delicious. Thank you for watching.